Hey, what is up you guys? My name is MOTO.BANDYTA and today I'm gonna review a PACTALK boat Intercom for you guys. It's a motorcycle Intercom. My exact device comes as a 2 set, so you can see on the box. Because I bought two devices in one box basically. But also if you buy a single device, it comes in the same box, same size. It's just, I'm gonna show you the only difference is gonna be, obviously the graphics on the box, so that's the only difference. And as you're gonna open it, there you go. Let me move my phone on the side. As we open it, we have a device right here. As you can see, we have this plastic element. This is where the device fits. Like I said, if it's only gonna be a single one, you're gonna find one in the middle, probably like on the angle as well. So we're gonna remove this. Let's see what comes inside the box. Inside the box, we have a safety, compliance, and warranty. We also have a pocket guide, which I'm gonna need soon to talk about. Okay, installation guide. There you go. And some more pocket guides in different languages. Because PACTALK is so universal. Alright, the reason why I really appreciate this device, it's because it has so many unique features. Oh yeah, let's go back to like I said, single box. If it's a single unit, if it's a double, you get a second box. But because I already gave it to my mate, the other one, so I don't have it. So let's take this out of the box as well, leave it here. And yeah, stay up with it. Yeah, so in the box, I personally don't have nothing. But in the box, normally it comes with sets of speakers, sets of attachments for the speakers, like extensions that you'll be able to extend them to be a bit thicker. And 2 types of microphone. One's gonna be wired and one's gonna be on a pole. Your choice which one you're gonna prefer to use it. The reason why my box is empty is because I already have mounted everything in my helmet, which I'm gonna show in just 1 minute. So let's get back to the device. Device, it's capable to pair with Android and also Apple devices. What you do, you go on your phone, Play Store or any other, or like if it's was it Apple, yeah. You go to the Play Store on Apple as well. You download the app that is called Cardo. You register your device on there by using a serial number. Should be pretty straightforward. Then all you do, pretty much, you get your helmet, you plug in until you hit that click, and then we switch it on. Press these 2 buttons to switch it on. There you go, we're gonna leave it like that for now. You can see it's connected to my phone. There you go, we are connected, and this is the menu you're gonna get. Alright, so we have a quick access, which is voice, redial, and your favorite contact. Oh, I just activated bridge, never mind, go back. We have a massive tiles that says phone, music, FM radio, intercom, which basically means you don't have to use none of these buttons in order to control the device. If you have for example, like I have quad lock or SP Connect or any other phone mount for your motorbike, you don't have to be even bothered anymore about any of the buttons. The even better feature that PACTALK presents with this device, it's voice commands. Basically, you have different types of voice commands that you can request from the device in order to activate certain feature. For example, if you say, hey Cardo, music on, it's gonna play the music. If you're gonna say, hey Cardo, redial, it's gonna redial the latest number that I just called you. that you just couldn't pick it up, or you just didn't want to talk to that person. Or also you can call to your favorite person. So okay, so we have for the phone to call somebody, a voice dial, we just press a single time this button. To redial, we double tap the button. Speed dial, you hold it for 2 seconds. To stop and share music, you just press it once. And not music, call. Answer calls, any of the buttons. This, anything, it will answer the call. Ignore the call, just swipe it to the right. Reject the call, like any of these buttons as well. End the call, any of these 2 buttons. Now, audio, so for example, radio. With radio, double press this button to activate the radio. Oh, look at it now. Now we're going to present how to switch it off. To switch off the radio, we just click on this button. It's not just a swivel, you know, it's also a button that we're supposed to use. In order to change the station for previous, double tap this button. Next, double tap, just press it once. Okay, so to auto-scan the radio stations, scroll it. Press and scroll. Stop the scan, obviously, single press of this button. Music. Music, obviously, just press it once, it goes into music. To stop the music, you just press this, just press on this button as well. So for previous song, we double tap it. For the next song, we single tap it. To toggle the music, you hold this button for 2 seconds, and then you press the Bluetooth button here. Like Cardo describes, to pair, we just press this button. It's gonna start, no sorry, this button, yeah, what am I talking about? This button is gonna start flashing red and blue. Then once it's gonna pair to your device, like mobile phone or GPS, then it's gonna change to blue button itself, complete blue. That's the buttons covered for now, so far. I'm gonna move to overall the design, what I think about it, and think we're gonna call that a day afterwards. The design of this intercom, it's pretty slick. Okay, it has an antenna for the long range distance. This intercom is capable of recording, not recording, what am I talking about? It's capable of sharing and talking to 15 riders at the same time due to DMC mode. It's a dynamic mesh communication. The way the DMC mode works, it creates a mesh communication between different riders that basically, if they're in the range, it will automatically connect them. As long as they are in was it like 1.6 kilometers of a distance, that's it. Afterwards, if basically one of your friends or fellow riders gonna lose the connection, that means they're too far. But there's nothing to worry about it. This device comes with such a unique design and I would say feature that it will automatically connect you to it straight away as soon as they're gonna come back in your range. So needed for the PACTALK bolt is it's almost fully black with a silver detail around it. You know, like I said, that's how you activate the antenna. So you get to talk with more riders on a larger space distance. You know, like I said again, to connect the unit, all you have to do, that's it. Literally, that is all. The unit comes with JBL speakers, which are really high rated quality for sound. I personally cannot imagine myself without Cardo PACTALK. I used different intercom previously. It was a Chinese knockoff, it was like Freecom something. I'm not gonna complain about it because I used it for quite a while of the time. You know, for 2 motorbike seasons, it lasted me. And the only reason why I switched it was because, well, Cardo is much better and the voice commands. You know, the voice commands actually just sold me out on the Cardo. Because that way, like I said, I don't have to worry about like picking up on my phone, unlocking it or whatever, you know. No, it's just if I'm using GPS, I could also hear it wherever it's there, you know. It's just handy, convenient. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Unfortunately, my video cut out, so I have to record it like a pre-sequel like that. If you have any questions, any inquiries, please leave a message, leave a like, leave a subscribe. It will help me out a lot, and I would appreciate it. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Thank you. Bye.